Welcome back to Kids Toyland! Today we're gonna learn colors! Look at our beautiful blue sand. Let's dig and see what we can find.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I think we found something.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
Orange.
ABCs. Next time won't
Orange
you sing
egg.
with me? A, B,
I
C,
wonder what's
D, E,
inside.
F, G, H, I, J, K,
It's a
L, M, N, O, P,
dinosaur.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
Great
sing
job! We found one of our dinosaur friends. Guess we should keep digging, see what other colors we can find.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Ooh, I think we found one.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
What color is
Y,
this?
and Z. Now I know
Green.
my ABCs. Next time won't you
A green
sing
egg.
with me?
The green egg matches our shovel. Green.
A, B, C, D,
See what dinosaur friend we have in here.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
This one's very colorful. It's orange.
I know my ABCs.
An orange
Next
dinosaur.
time won't you sing with me?
Great job, everybody. Let's get back to digging. Oh, I think we found one. Do you know what color this is? That's right, it's purple. A purple egg. Great job, everybody. Ooh, here's our dinosaur friend. He's gray, a gray dinosaur. Great job, everybody. Now the fun part again, digging. I wonder what color we'll find next. Oh, that didn't take very long. What color is this? It's blue, just like our sand. Blue. Let's see what dinosaur friend we have here. Here's our dinosaur friend. He's gray with green on his back. See the green all the way down his back? Great job, boys and girls. Let's see how many more eggs we have in here. I found one. Do you know this color? It's pink. Can you say pink? And look, we have a yellow dinosaur. Yellow dinosaur. Wow, boys and girls, you're doing really well. Let's see, I think there might be one more in here. Let's keep digging. I think we found it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I love this color. Do you know what color it is? That's right, it's yellow. A yellow egg.
Now I know my ABCs.
Oh, and look at the color of dinosaur we have. It's red. A red dinosaur.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
Great job, boys and girls.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
So let's see what we found today.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
We found a pink egg,
Sing with me.
an orange egg, a yellow egg, a green egg,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
a blue egg,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
and a purple egg.
W, X,
And we found a red dinosaur,
ABCs. Next time, won't you
an
sing?
orange dinosaur, a gray and green dinosaur,
A, B, C, D, E, F,
a yellow dinosaur,
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
a
R, S,
green dinosaur,
W, X, Y, and Z.
and a gray dinosaur.
ABCs. Next time, won't you
Great job, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye.